The tools you have in your collection affect the outcome of every DIY or professional project you undertake. If they possess some unique qualities, tasks will be easier and more enjoyable. So now, let's see the 15 amazing next-level tools you must have. This BOSCH Guillotine lets you hang your favorite pieces without help in no time. This auto-line laser comes with a gel pad for smooth surfaces. It operates with a single press of a button, and the intuitive LED display ensures precise alignment. Oh, you'll get a marking aid to identify the first reference point. One of the best things about this tool is the integrated tape measure, which allows you precise distance measurement. You need to change the pad? No worries, it's easier than you've thought. Attach, align, and measure with the BOSCH Guillotine. Have a flat tire? Get back to the road in no time with this Wagon Tack impact wrench. A tiny but mighty tool that runs on your car's battery. So there will be no pre-charged battery to deal with emergencies. Instead, simply insert the 12-volt DC socket into your car's cigarette lighter accessory plug and get the power. Then pick the exact lug nut for the job. Attach it to the wrench and go for the action. Changing tires on the go may take too much labor. Don't let them bother you again. The pros have a lot to deal with when it comes to plastic welding, but this powerful hand extruder brings the best way to do them perfectly. The WeldPlast 605 is a great plastic welding solution for geo applications. So let's take a closer look at how it works. First, take it to your job site. Assemble it with some easy steps. Set the desired setting for specific jobs and start welding. The brushless drive and Bauer motor make each project a child's play. And the dual heating zone maintains constant welding on various thicknesses. Weld more, spend less. Want to get rid of the popcorn textured sealing? Get this Popeeze and give your sealing a smooth and clean look. Long story short, this scraper scrapes over the damp area and does the whole job without messy cleanup at the end. How? Just attach the tool with a standard threaded pole. Then attach the funnel to a shop vacuum. Ensure the blade has attached perfectly, and you're ready to go. Wait, never skip water spraying to the sealing before starting scraping. After every operation, you can easily change the Popeeze blade. Maybe you don't want to stand on a ladder all day. Now here's a fully automatic powder-actuated tool. The Ramset RA27 simply lowers the downtime and fatigue on every commercial job site. It stands up to the toughest use for interior and exterior remodeling or installation applications. It offers a lower push-down force to reduce fatigue and a long-lasting piston that lessens downtime. This RA27 comes with a durable magazine that ensures 30% longer lifespan, and you can make ideal pin embedment with the power adjustment dial. With the right tool in hand, take on the job with confidence. Don't think it's a toy car. This OEM Tools 24468 is your new all-in-one DIY roadside assistance. Wondering how this toy-type guy can do that all? Surprisingly, it is equipped with a jump starter, tire inflator, and automatic 3-ton jack, which means you won't have to go the extra mile to get back on the road. Plus, it has a pivoting LED light for demanding situations. And the best part hits here. This tool is packed with a powerful lithium battery that can hold the charge for up to 6 months. Got a flat tire or dead battery mid-road? Open your car's trunk to get the OEM Tools. Next is the Tiger Tool 10205 Automotive C-Frame Socket Press. This automotive press is used for various removal and installation jobs on the driveline and non-driveline related parts. You can use this tool with different size sockets on virtually all cars, ATVs, light-duty trucks, and farm machinery. And if you have to deal with some general clamping or pressing task, then there are also some flat anvils that can be installed on either side of the press. With the combination of great capacity, hardened steel construction, and rigid C-frame, the Tiger Tool 10205 is built for toughness. Okay, You often have to deal with pipe cutting tasks without electricity. That's where this Guillotine pipe cutter changes the game. This pipe cutter comes in 3 different models. It has a durable, non-stick coated blade that makes many square cuts with no chips to clog valves and small openings. The cutting process is so easy. First, remove the blade guard. Open the lower yoke. Then place it in the marketplace. Lock the yoke and start turning the handle clockwise. You'll get a perfect cut on the big, thick pipe. After several operations, you can easily sharpen or replace the blade. Having messy tools around the job site decrease productivity. Don't you agree? Keep them well organized and near to hand with this Gecko Grip. This is the all-new hassle-free solution to arranging and stowing your tools and small parts. First thing first, it is cast out of food-grade silicone. So no matter where your workshop or home, this tray will handle every situation. This Gecko Grip can be customized with multiple components when you need to keep your tools separated for easy access. Worried about the heat and other harsh situations? No problem. This tray withstands all, and it clings to almost any clean flat or curved surface. This thing you see here is the Caddy Twist 2.0. A great cable pulling tool with the highest possible thrust stability. Yep, now cable pulling is no more a hassle for you. And the 3-fold twisted Perlon rod has a great tensile strength to sustain through high tensions. You can also repair the pull-in rods when in need. Wait, the cable is coming to you through all those twisted routes. When you're in an unconventional location, it's tough to get power. But with this Stanley 32050 FatMax Power Claw, you can clamp your power source everywhere. Wondering how? Well, this strip clamp is made of quality plastic and features a spring-loaded clamp that allows you to lock it onto just about any surface like a table, bench, or ladder rung. It has 3 conveniently located grounded outlets that empower your electric tools or devices. It comes with a 3-foot cord and boasts a built-in circuit breaker to prevent overloads. Still want to deal with flimsy cords out there? Here's another yellow guy over here. This is the Prezo Tile Square Laser, a great solution for fast and accurate flooring layout. By simply pressing your finger, the green beam laser instantly provides a 90-degree angle with a range of 32 feet. So installation tile and other materials will meet no imprecision and inaccuracy. Plus, you can use this tool in wallpapering, stencil work, trim work, carpentry, fixture mounting, and many more. And the durability? That's unbeatable. Lastly, the leveling valves on each axis lets you maintain pinpoint accuracy on every job. Let's confess how many times you've damaged the center conductors while removing the cable jackets. This tool you see here has a patented stripping mechanism with a unique spiral stripping mode that helps you precisely strip and remove tough insulations. It easily helps you cut through various jacket materials like PVC, rubber, PE, and others. Before you start cutting, properly adjust the blade height. Insert the cables at the exact position, rotate 3 to 5 times, and you're done. Toughest jobs, easiest solution. You may get confused about what this tool is at first glance. Well, this King Tony 34407T1A is mainly an electronic torque adapter, but also works as a tire pressure gauge. Yes, you'll get both facilities from a single tool. This electronic tool allows you to adjust the torque setting in many ways, such as peak mode, trace mode, and more. Switching to the pressure gauge mode is so simple. And of course, you'll get the exact information about your tire pressure. No need to take several tools to check wheel nut torque and tire pressure. Get King Tony and do them both. To conclude the list, we've kept a ladder for you, but this is not a regular one. This Conquest all-terrain ladder is specially designed for the uneven world. Built with non-conductive fiberglass, this multi-position ladder provides ultimate versatility, durability, and transportability for any construction terrain. It lets you extend beyond possibilities and get closer to your work. The best part of this ladder is the leveling outriggers with swivel feet that keep you stable no matter how rough the surface is. Keeping safety in mind, climb with confidence. So that was the list of the 15 amazing next-level tools you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.